Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 11th, 2022. We're going to talk about Disney stock. I'm going to give you the top reason as to why you should not buy it. I know every other YouTuber out here has titles, has videos about why you should be buying Disney, but nobody comes through and tells you why you shouldn't buy it. See, I play both sides of the market. I come through. If the market looks strong, then I'm going to be a buyer. But if the market looks weak, then I'm going to be a seller. You need to think along the same lines. You guys need to understand that the market has ebbs and flows. And once you look at the chart, in particular Disney, I mean, you guys can see generally what the trend is. Yeah, I don't have to even tell you. You guys can visually see in front of you right now that the trend in Disney is down. So for those who are coming out with videos telling you that they're giving you reasons as to why Disney is a buy, they obviously have not seen the price chart. See, the price chart is the collective mind of everybody who is interested in Disney stock. Everybody. From those who are trying to sell to those who are trying to buy. And right now, it looks like the sellers, there's more sellers than buyers who are here in Disney trying to sell. So welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. You guys can tell I already got one on the chart right now for Disney, and it is still ongoing. So if you guys appreciate my content, hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Join the squad. Join the team, because you can actually do this for yourself without being reliant upon someone else. Check this out. I did a video in Disney, right? The last one I did was on March the 6th. Now you guys can tell. Look at how long I've had this price prediction going for Disney. Look how long. Yeah, right here, ending of January. Here it is, April the 11th, and price still hasn't came down to where I really think price is going to come. $120, right? So it tells you that there's a good mixture of buying and selling going on in Disney. Even though we've already seen the price in Disney from the high here, from March 8th, 2021 to where we're at now, 35% drop. We've already seen the market value of Disney stock drop 35%. So this market is being real relentless into really making it fall, like PayPal did recently, or Netflix did recently. This market in Disney is really putting up a fight. The buyers are really putting up a fight against the selling. So I want to show you all something as to why Disney stock is not a buy right now. I'm not saying it's not going to be a buy 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road, but currently I'm still playing that weakness. You guys can see it. I've been following the market since January. Look at this. So this is Disney here on a weekly time frame, right? And I want to show you what happened on last week. This tells you that the market in Disney is still not a buy, because we haven't seen the market recover from this weekly price bar, which occurred on March the 14th, 2022. Like, the market could not capitalize off of that price. We are still seeing the market in Disney trend lower. Like, what's going on for those who are trying to move the market higher? They don't have enough momentum to break price up above this level. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. The buyers could not break Disney's price above $145. That's the reason why I know that the market's not a buy right now. I mean, you should be able to see this better on a 2 weekly time frame. Like, take a look at that. Yeah, right here. This 2 weekly price bar tells us that sellers won. This 2 weekly price bar tells us that the buyers actually fought back and was able to push price up. But then the last 2 weekly price bar, the sellers won again. The buyers could not break price above 145. That is how I know that the market in Disney is still weak. That is the top reason why we're still anticipating the price to come down. Now take a look at this. This is the buyer's last stronghold right here. Okay, $130. I know that. Okay, this is the last stronghold for the buyers. They cannot let price break that under any circumstance, because if so, I know that the market's going to come down to like 120. Yeah, I'm already prepared for that. So I'm keeping focus on where buyers are at. Buyers are coming into the market in Disney at 130. But given the fact that they could not capitalize on the last 2 weekly price bar, the chances are increasing that market's going to break 130 and continue to go lower. It's just that simple. See, I'm showing you indications as to where the market ebbs and flows are having issues, or who's dominating certain price levels. Buyers are dominating $130. But given the fact that they have not won and successfully broken price higher from 130, they may not win this one, which is why I'm going to continue to play the weakness in the market in Disney. Look at that. Do you see any strength here on the 3-weekly time frame? 5 weeks. Yeah, I don't see a lot of strength here on Disney stock right now. Again, pay attention to that $130. Pay attention to $130. Okay, so I'm really looking for the price in Disney to really confirm the buyers here. I really want to see the buyers come here at proper price. See, I've already established that the sellers had a stronghold, I would say back in 2015, from 2015 all the way until 2019. So 4 years. 4 years, the sellers had a stronghold in Disney stock at $120. Like, the buyers could not break price for a full 4 years. And then they did. So now we need to see the buyers hold price at 120 ultimately. They're going to try 130, but we really need to see them hold 120. If they hold 120, this is the buy zone right there. Like, I'm telling you this right now. If the market buyers come through and hold Disney stock price right there at 120, yeah, this is where you want to come through and buy it. But if we're still seeing weakness at 120, then this even is not the opportunity to come in and buy Disney stock. See, we're already predicting, we're forecasting, we're anticipating what the market is going to do before it actually does it. So currently, I'm still on par to see Disney's price continue to go lower. I'm still there. Still looking for it to happen. Okay. So let me switch this back over to the daily time frame. And we're going to continue to follow it. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to continue to keep it the same. I still see that the market is generally weaker than it is stronger. So I'm going to continue to follow the market. I follow the market. I don't follow nothing else. I don't follow anyone on Twitter. I don't follow the CEO of Disney. I don't follow what's going on in the news regarding Disney. I pay attention to what the collective market is trying to do. So far, the sellers are winning. So now, real quick, let me know. What do you think about Disney? Do you think it's a reason to buy? Do you think it's a reason to sell? What do you think? Put your behavior as to what you would do. Would you buy? Would you sell? Right now, what would you do? All right, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.